Okay, boys, welcome to the online service, and let's roll the intro.
But no, okay.
Yeah, this is like third time try. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is about the online service,
Yep.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba. and how good it is, and how bad it is.
It's pretty bad.
Oh, okay. It's really good because I like it because you get the NES classic stuff. Like I told my dad Techno Bowl was on it, and he was like, and like played it a little bit.
Wow.
So yeah.
Yeah. Wait. Be right back.
Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna be doing this solo for a little bit. So the online service is pretty good because you got online service, which makes you like have games and stuff online, or it's pretty good. Or you can play games online, or like, yeah, it's pretty good. So boom da bop da bop. Bop bop ba da na na. Do 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 do. Okay, we're just gonna restart this again. What? Oh, okay, you're back, dude. I was right about to restart it again. Okay, so what do you like about the Switch Online service, JJ?
You don't have as much sweat.
So I feel like less people are just playing the Switch now.
Yeah, because they added the Nintendo Switch online, and then people just didn't like that because they liked when they didn't have
Well,
to go on their PS4.
Me and
Yeah.
JJ left because our main game was Splatoon, and we couldn't play that anymore without the online service, and then we didn't have dollars
Yeah.
to like actually buy it, or we really didn't care to buy it. But then we had money and we bought it, and it's pretty dope.
Yeah.
But
We
like
bought it like two
playing
days ago.
playing Splatoon again,
Just brings back all the
I mean,
memories.
yeah, it's just so much fun. And then the NES is lit. But the only
Cool.
downside to it is that really it's just like there's nothing like else other than the two things that we've talked
Yeah,
about.
like I used to like how there's a lot of more people and you have to wait for servers
Yeah,
for like 20 seconds because
yeah,
it
that
would
is very
take
true.
way shorter when everybody had like
Yeah,
didn't need the membership because you wouldn't have to go to your like PS4 and like get the membership to play this. The Switch was your like saving grace. And
yeah,
then
really.
yeah.
You like didn't have to pay for anything, and it would just be like, oh, hop on. I don't have to pay for any online service, and then it's just
Yeah,
like,
but then they added it and
and then like they
less
added,
people joined.
yeah. Unless you played like Fortnite on it, then it didn't really affect
Well,
you.
yeah, you don't. Or Brawlhalla.
Or Brawlhalla, yeah. Which I really
Yeah.
like about that.
I mean, Tetris 99 is cool.
Oh, I really wanted to play it before I had the online service, and then I saw you had to have the online service. I might play it here soon too.
It's stupid though because I don't know how to play it. It's hard.
I'm not that good at it, so like,
Playing like Smash Bros online is pretty fun if you have Smash Bros or Smash Bros.
oh, I want Smash Bros. Super Mario, whatever. Super Mario Maker.
Odyssey.
No, Super Mario Maker 2 is back.
Yeah, I want to get that,
Me too. Or not back.
but I'm gonna save it.
It's here.
I'm gonna save it for it.
I don't really think I'll buy it honestly. To be honest. So yeah. What? How long have we been recording? Only for 4 minutes. We gotta meet that 10-minute mark. No, I'm just joking. So the pros is that there's a lot of pros. Like it's fairly cheap. It's only $20 for a year. JD, you gonna chime in on that? He's muted. JD, why are you muted? Why'd you mute him, bro? Kinda want you back. Okay, well, we're gonna.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, okay. Well, the pros is that it's really cheap, and like not really cheap, but it's cheap for a whole year, and like
Yeah, it's $20 for a whole year instead of like the $60.
yeah, like $60 on the other consoles. But on the other consoles, you get way more.
This is ironic, but then my Switch battery is 60%.
Yeah, that is one thing I don't like about the Switch. The Switch battery is like pretty bad.
Yeah, chill out. I've only had it for like I've only had it on for like 3 hours and it drained the battery to 60 when I was
Really?
100. So it's like a 6 hour battery, but then they say that, but then it's not. It's like a 3 hour
Yeah, it's
battery
like 3.
if you're playing
If you
it a
if you're
lot.
yeah, if you are playing it like playing it, then it's not gonna last that long. But if you're like turning it like on and then you're like leaving it alone for a little bit, like you played one game or something, and then like you're done for a little bit. So yeah,
Yeah.
it's pretty dope, honestly. I'm still in this. I didn't exit out of this that Arsenal game, so
You still in it?
I was still in it.
Did you get destroyed?
Well, they weren't playing anymore. How's the boat, JJ?
Oh yeah, it was fun. Yeah, I went on a boat today.
Okay, so well, this is kind of like a catching up video now.
Yep.
Okay, so to end off the video, we're approaching 7 minutes now. It's a really good, it's a really good service. It's cheap, and you get like two really good things. Like for me and JJ, it was the big thing was like we get to play Splatoon again, all 9.
Yeah, because we
It's
we
very
love
lit.
playing Splatoon, but then now we couldn't, and
Yeah,
now we can. That was fun.
but then we couldn't, and we were like, oh, sad
And we get to
face.
play Rocket League.
True, if we want to, but we have Rocket League on other consoles, so it's not really
Yeah,
that.
I'm playing Super Mario 1.
One.
Yeah.
Cool.
If
Okay,
you didn't hear.
that's it for this video, boys. Peace
Wear your
out.
seatbelt.
Wear your seatbelt. Yeah, I think my sister actually got his book, and I'm planning to read it tonight, I think. Although I don't know where it is. So
Did she hide
goodbye,
it?
and make sure you pick up the iSwitch before it sells out.
That's JJ Connor signing out.
That's really dumb though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna switch the scene to, and we'll be right back. Or no, wait. Cause my scene 2, you'll see what my scene 2 is. But like, okay, boys, that's all for me and JJ, and we'll see you
In
next
the next
time.
one.
Oh, wait, I gotta switch scene 2.
Buda, buda, buda.
Buda, 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 buda. Goodbye. Okay, if anyone knows who drew this, you can like put it down in the comments because I do not know who drew this. I just took it off Google, so don't come at me. Goodbye. That's me and JJ signing off for now. Goodbye.